English audio is provided by a text-to-speech software.
こんにちは、ともです。英語は苦手なので、音声読み上げソフトを頼っています。それではどうぞごゆっくり。
In this video, I will introduce Sasha's just one word. It's a very useful word that can be used with anyone in a variety of situations. It's only 6 letters. Please be aware that this contains spoilers for Attack on Titan, Episode 8. Review of the scene. The trainees are faced with the problem of having to eliminate the 7 titans that are occupying the supply room in order to replenish gas. Almin proposes a plan, and everyone works out a detailed execution plan. First, several decoys take the lift down to the Titan's room and, upon receiving a signal, block the Titan's view with a gun. After that, the 7 elite trainees carry out the plan, eliminating 1 Titan each. However, Sasha and Connie are unable to eliminate the Titans. Sasha is counterattacked by the Titan and finds herself in a desperate situation. It is Mikasa who saves Sasha. Mikasa eliminates the Titan, and Sasha thanks Mikasa. Let's take a closer look at Sasha's Japanese lines at this point, the deeper nuances of which could not be conveyed through subtitles. Please watch this scene with subtitles in the main video. In response to Mikasa's question, Sasha, are you hurt? The subtitles will probably say, I'm not hurt. Thank you. So what would Sasha say in Japanese? It's a short phrase of 6 letters. I say it 3 times in Japanese. I say it slowly at first, and at a natural speed at the end, so please listen.
おかげさまで。おかげさまで。おかげさまで。
This phrase is very useful for answering questions. I looked it up in the dictionary and found this explanation. A phrase that expresses humble gratitude. Good things have happened thanks to your support and encouragement. Now, with this explanation in mind, let's revisit the previous scene. Sasha was attacked by a Titan, but she wasn't hurt. That's because Mikasa supported her. But this explanation does not lead to true understanding. This is an insufficient explanation for the phrase, Okage-sama day. Let's take a look at when this phrase is used. To help you understand, imagine the following scenario. One day, you are hospitalized due to illness, but recover and are released from the hospital. Case 1. After you are released from the hospital, you happen to meet the doctor who treated you in town. The doctor asks you, how are you feeling after that? At times like this, you can answer, Okage-sama day. That doctor certainly helped you recover. Case 2. After you leave the hospital, you go to work. You meet a colleague. He asks you, how are you doing after that? You can use those 6 letters at times like this. Okage-sama day. Your colleague followed up on your work while you were in the hospital. He was supporting you. Case 3. This time, we'll look at a situation where you're not involved. This might be a little complicated, but please try to imagine it slowly. Your girlfriend, who was hospitalized, was told this by her friend. I heard your boyfriend was in the hospital. Is he better now? Your girlfriend can reply to her friend with this. Okage-sama day. It's important to note here that she is a stranger to you, and has not provided any support for you in regards to your hospitalization. However, your girlfriend can reply with Okage-sama day. In other words, this expression of gratitude has little to do with whether the other person actually provided support or not. Next, imagine you are traveling in Japan. You are approached by a Japanese person passing by. This person has not offered you a meal or guided you. but is just a local passing by. He sees that you are a tourist and so he approaches you. Are you enjoying? If you respond with "Okage-sama day," the Japanese person will be very pleased. They may be surprised at how good your Japanese is. What is Okage-sama? It is just a noun, with no subject or predicate. Day is a particle, so I will omit it and explain Okage-sama. O is often added to certain words to show politeness or respect. Sama is more polite than the honorific san. Okage is a very vague expression that is difficult to put into words, but if I had to put it into words, I think it would be grace or love for all things. Think again about this scene. Was Mikasa's help the only reason Sasha wasn't injured when the Titan counterattacked? Perhaps Sasha's guardian angel or the spirits of her ancestors were helping her with their mysterious powers. Perhaps Sasha herself was born with the power of good fortune. Sasha's words "Okage-sama day" contain not only gratitude to Mikasa, but also gratitude for everything that has allowed her life to be extended. By the way, Kage is pronounced the same as the Japanese word shadow. It would be wonderful if shadow and grace were the same.